Okay, so what's going on here is if we divide everything by negative 4x, the issue that will be created is that we're losing a potential solution. And so let me kind of show you why. Um, Technically, if you wanted to divide everything by negative 4, that'd be okay. So it's okay to divide everything by a constant, just don't divide everything by a variable, okay? So if we want to, we could. That would make life easier if we divide everything by negative 4. It just can't do the x, okay? So when we do that, that will make this x to the power of 3. This will become minus 6x squared. And let's see, this will become a plus 5x equals 0. Now, instead of dividing everything by x, what we'll do is we'll just go ahead and factor the x out. And so that'll help us kind of see why it's important not to divide by x. So this is what we're left with, this trinomial right here. And so see, if we divide by x, then we don't account for that potential solution right there. And so we'll go ahead and factor this. So we still have that x that was factored out. And then this factors into x minus 5 and x minus 1. Okay. And clean that up a little bit right there. It's 1. There we go. So we've broken this into 3 factors. And so if any one of them is 0, the whole thing would equal 0. So that's where I get that one solution of 0 right there. Because if I let x equal 0, what will happen is I'll get 0 times negative 5 times negative 1, which would then equal 0, right? So we want to make sure we have that as our potential solution. Then another one right here would be positive 5, because if you plug that in, you would get 5 times 0, and then let's see, 5 minus 1 would be a 4. But once again, if you multiply that all together, that equals 0. And then our last one right here would be a positive 1. And so if you were to plug that in, you would get 1 times negative 4, and then times 0. Once again, it would equal 0. So see, we have 3 different ways we can substitute something in and make the equation collapse into 0. So our solution set would be 0, 1, oops, I put 5, it doesn't matter, 5, and then 1. So you can put it in whatever order you want. Sometimes people like to put it in numerical order, but if you don't put it in numerical order, that's fine too.